Our fridge has been leaking. So I come back in our first night to find this. We have an appointment when we get back to do some warranty work. Because we bought this new, so it's still under warranty. And hopefully they will fix it. Our first trip that was more than like a couple of days, which was when we went to Stone Mountain, Georgia, we noticed that the fridge was starting to leak. And it's already caused some water damage. You can kind of see it swelling there. We already had to do one warranty claim because the bed wasn't installed correctly. And when we lifted up the bed to put some stuff under there, because you're supposed to be able to put storage under there, it broke. The base broke. Gage and I found a peaceful spot on the intercoastal. This campground's really nice because you can either go to the beach. You do have to cross the street. A lot of people either just walk over there or take their golf carts because they do have parking. Or at the back side of the campground, there's the intercoastal here. And it's nice over here because there's not as many people and the waves aren't as big. The waves were kind of big yesterday, and even though the kids were just playing up to their ankles or their knees, a wave knocked over Barrett and scared him. This is a lot more peaceful. There's not many people. We're the only ones in this little spot. There's some people down at that end paddle boarding, and then behind me over there there's a fishing pier. There's a couple people fishing on the pier. We have this whole stretch to ourselves, which at any Florida beach is amazing because normally there is just a ton of people no matter where you go. So we're gonna enjoy some time here while Eric and Barrett are back taking a nap. We're playing in the sand on the beach and we spotted a jellyfish. Pretty cool, but you gotta be careful. But we were on the fishing pier last night and we saw a couple of them float by. Luckily the weather is perfect, so we're really not that hot. It's probably in the 70s and we don't even have to get in the water, and the water is freezing anyway. So luckily we don't have to worry about getting in and getting stung by a jellyfish. What are you doing, Gage?
I'm making our first pond bigger.
Oh, you're making a pond? You're making it bigger?
Yeah.
Awesome.
We made it earlier, and now I'm making it deeper because it filled that up with all the sand from the side that fell down.
Oh, well, we better get to work. Did you fall in your pond? honey.
Today.
Huh?
Can we go to the beach today?
You guys can. I gotta go to Lowe's.
Daddy, can you get that football or did you already get it?
Oh, where did it go?
It's in the bush.
Oh, I see it.
It's right there.
I told you.
You're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to ask our neighbors if they can get it for you.
We were playing football last night and our football ended up in the bushes over by the neighbor.
Mama, that's the fish.
So we gotta go
Mama, that's the
get our football back. Ask the neighbors if we can get in there and get it. I'll get the broom. Oh, it's right in the middle. It's kind of far from both sides. No, it's kind of far from both sides.
But our side is tiny. So I think this side.
Hold this.
Hold on,
Hold this. I have the broom right here.
Did you guys ask permission?
No, I don't want to go knock on their door. It's like
Mama's
weird.
trying to get the football with the broom.
Here, let me see the broom.
I got it.
You got it?
And there's some.
Use the hook part of the broom.
Well, I gotta I'm trying to scoop it over here.
There's some twigs and weeds in the way. He's almost got it. He's got it.
Okay.
Mom, I
We got our disgraceful Gator football. That's Pop-Pop's football, not ours. We just got to Anastasia State Park. We stopped at the playground first since the playground at the campground was closed. Luckily, the playground here is open. There is another playground, but this is the first one that you come across when you come into the park. So we stopped here first. There's actually a gift shop here and a snack bar. So they also have some vending machines, and it looks like they have some really beautiful sand dunes, a couple of trails. So we're excited to check everything out here.
Mama, you can play with it.
Oh, only little kids, okay.
I'm gonna climb up.
Will you race me on the slide, Barrett?
Yes.
Yeah?
Bounce me on the middle.
Okay, after Barrett and I race.
You go on this side, and I will push you.
Oh, we're gonna race though. Or do you wanna push me?
I want to push you.
Okay, hold on. Are you gonna push me?
Yeah.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Yeah.
We found the other playground. It is actually in the campground between the tent sites 35 and 36. And there are a couple of parking spots here, so even though we're not staying here, we were able to park and come over to check out this playground. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one.
Mama,
Yes, honey.
where's my friend?
Oh, they just left.
Where are they?
I don't know. Are you gonna go down the slide, honey?
I want to the beach.
And next we're gonna drive around and look at the RV sites. The tent sites are pretty private, so they're very nice, very woodsy. There's lots of vegetation around. So on our way out, we're gonna check out the RV sites. Gage, are you gonna go play, honey?
He wanted to take a picture with me, so we're taking our picture.
And Daddy said he would cut all the spider webs.
Oh.
Daddy said he would cut all the spider webs.
I'm not cutting any spider webs.
You want him to get rid of all the spider webs?
You do it yourself, broski.
I don't have a knife.
Just get a stick, knock them down.
See that? Did you see that?
No.
That lady has like a, I don't know, that was weird. What are you looking at? Babe, you can't be videotaping me at weird angles, man, okay? This is a family situation.
So we're too bougie for state parks?
I'm not that it's too bougie. We are Floridians. We are, this is what our backyard looks like.
Not really. There's some interesting trees here. I'm gonna have to look up what kind of trees these are.
Nicole, these trees are all over our, like, we
no.
live here.
I've never seen these kind of trees before.
These are regular oak trees pruned back.
They're spirally.
Yeah, because they're pruned back to allow things to get through here, like the RVs and stuff. What do you mean spirally? Where do you see a spirally tree?
So we're not gonna camp here?
No.
We like North Beach Camp Resort?
Yeah, and there's another beach camp thing that I see posted all the time on YouTube. I can't remember the name of it right now.
Where?
Here in St Augustine.
Oh.
Like, see, then we gotta do this. We gotta go to the dump station and dump all the doo-doo out. Now, I think for us, it's gonna be full hookup campsites from now on.
Well, those are the ones that are easiest to get into now anyway.